So he is in Azamgarh. So this is basically Tamasa, and it will join few kilometers at a place called Fefna. It will go and join Ghaghara, Azamgarh. So right now what Rama is doing is he's on the northern part. Tarayanti mivaragavam. It came and it blocks Rama. He just takes the chariot and crosses. Okay, then if he crosses, he should go like this. If he goes like this, Varanasi comes here. He misses Varanasi. That is a reference. He says, go north. He comes here, takes slight north and goes towards Prayagraj. He will cross Gomti, Lucknow, Gomti. Whereas for some reason, Tulsidas is so bhakti-based kavi. He forgets all this. He wants to introduce us to Kevat. He wants us to introduce us to Nishadra. In one doha, he finishes everything and he says, people cried, then they just move towards Nishad Desh. That's it. Tulsidas doesn't pay much attention, but Valmiki, Pratamat Kavinam Margadarshim Maharishim Madhumaya Bhanitam Margadarshi. So Azamgarh, then he crosses with chariot, then he goes to the southern direction of Azamgarh. Slightly he will take Unnukam, northern direction. A lot of things we will see. He will take northern direction and go towards another 170 kilometers as of today to go on the Prayagraj. Right? There, little bit here and there, and then today's Prayagraj, we cross the bank of Prayagraj. On the other side of Prayagraj is Nishad Desh. They have built a big statue there. So now he comes. So basically, he crossed Tamasa.